All right, what is going on, guys? So this is part 3 of the rebuild series on the Mustang GT 2018 that we got here, 10-speed. So in the previous video, guys, if you guys haven't been keeping up with the rebuild series on this car, part 2, we were really fixing the frame on it. So basically we pulled this shock tower, pulled it over, replaced the whole fender rail, the lower skin and the upper skin of the fender rail, and that was pretty much it. So now basically in this video we're just going to be wrapping everything up. As you guys can see, the bumper's already on. I got the headlights on. But yeah, basically in this video you guys are going to see I'm going to be doing all the measurements. We're going to start working on the hood that you guys see right there. It's already prepped and everything. Painting the fender rail, primering it, all that, prepping all that stuff. So it's a long process, guys. In this video, guys, you're going to see all of that. So yeah, hopefully you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, and hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys enjoy, drop a like, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, drop a comment on what you guys thought of the video. Alright guys, so I got everything off the car, fender that we threw on. So now it's exposing the fender rail that we threw on. Took the radiator support off, I took all the headlights off. So now we're gonna just do the measurements from the points to the points on the other side. So you measure this circle right here on the fender rail and this circle right here on the fender rail from the measurements that we got online. And you measure it to that side, and then you just do a crisscross and just make sure the measurements match up. And I'm also going to measure it from the ground up just to see that height is pretty much the same on both sides. So I got a bunch of the parts in, so we're getting on the final stages of just getting everything wrapped up. So right now I'm about to take this driver's side fender off, and then so I'm going to change the hood hinges on the hood, so that way we can have new hood hinges so the hood properly sits. And then I got the new radiator support in right here. Got a bunch of the parts here. I got the hood hinges there, got the little tire thing for the back. I got the hood hinges right there. I got the battery cover. That's the splash shield. I got the 5.0 engine cover. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna start taking this fender off, and then face the hood hinges, and then we also just pop the hood out a little bit, as you guys can see now. I don't know if you guys knew, but before it was curved in, so we pop that out. And then we're working on this Prius here, guys. Yeah, so just sanding that up, getting the line straight on it. You guys can see there. And then a couple scratches and stuff on the doors. So we might just get a new door for the back one, and the front one, just we can repair that one. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys down and then start taking stuff off the Mustang. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this fuse box off from the fender rail so we can expose it, so we can start grinding all these welds. Alright guys, so I got the fender rail all grinded down. Got the welds all grinded down. Got it pretty smooth for the most part. So the next step pretty much gonna be just putting some Bondo on it, and then we'll sand that down to make it perfectly smooth. And then yeah, that'll be pretty much it with the fender rail. Alright guys, we got one coat of primer laid down on the fender rail. As you guys can see, it's coming out pretty good and smooth. Alright guys, so we got the second layer of primer on the fender rail. So I'm just gonna sand these little spot wells down, and then we're gonna lay a little bit of Bondo down to get it perfectly smooth. Yeah, as you guys can notice on the factory, it's not even that great. Like, it's wavy in different spots, not perfectly smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alrighty guys, we just got the little bit of Bondo put in those little spot weld areas just to get everything perfectly smooth. So we just gotta sand it one more time guys, and then primer it again, and then that's pretty much it. After that, the frame rail is ready to go. Sorry guys, I said frame rail, fender rail. Alright guys, we got some good old playoffs going on in the background. And we got the fender rail prepped. About to start shooting the blue spray can. Just tack racking it right now. So we got this blue one right here. It matches pretty good. And yeah, it doesn't really have to be perfect as the factory. spray it on there. It has no clear or nothing on there, so pretty much just get it similar to that. Alright guys, so we got the fender rail painted, as you guys can see. The paint came out a little bit lighter. I don't know if it's because we sprayed it over gray primer. But yeah, that's no big deal. Once we get everything done, we can just repaint it if we need to. Paint it a little bit of darker blue. The hood over here put in the garage. Got the hood sanded down. Got a layer of fiberglass on it and then a layer of Bondo that we just sanded right now. So probably just a little bit more Bondo over it, and then we should be good to go on the hood as well. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Just getting on the last steps. Is just prepping everything is the hardest part and the most time consuming part of body work and just getting the car finished. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll start finishing off the hood and then throwing everything on the car and getting it ready for final prep. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up the video. If you guys made it this far, thank you guys so much for staying tuned all the way to the end. So yeah, I got the Mustang here, so hopefully you guys stay tuned to the next video. We got the bumper right here pretty much ready to go. Got the hood right there. Got the fender right next to it. Got a bunch of prep going on everywhere. And we got the Mustang right here. But yeah, probably next video is just going to be just sanding everything. So we're sanding it up right here, as you guys can see. Just sanding everything, getting everything ready for the paint. And yeah, that'll be pretty much it. And then hopefully we can shoot the paint in the next video and you guys can see that all the paint going down on the Mustang. Yeah, we already got the paint from the paint store as well. We got that nice metallic blue, as you guys can see right there. It's super dirty right now, but yeah, hopefully you guys stay tuned to the next video. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like if you guys like the video. Drop any comments down below what you guys thought and what you guys would like to see. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.